I've known probably since my freshman year of high school that I wanted to be a nurse.
Nursing 101 was a class to introduce you to the nursing program and to what the nursing field is like today, and also give you a little bit of a history of what the nursing field is.
Even though it's not a required class, and even if you, like me, going into the program knew that you want to be a nurse, I'd still take it. It makes it feel less intimidating as a whole because it gives you the tools to apply that a lot of people that don't take the course won't have.
We learned how to take a person in and out of the bed, how to wash our hands correctly. I can almost guarantee you're not washing your hands correctly. We also learned how to take vital signs during that class, which was honestly interesting. Do blood pressure, how to do pulse, and use some of the devices that we'll be using in the nursing field.
The class was participation-based. If you put the effort in, showed up to the class, went to the SNA event, and went to the Megasim, you got an A. There was no added stress of an exam coming up. And it gave you the tools to not only excel in the exams you did have coming, because you could ask study tips, you could ask that. There was no additional stress added on from this class.
This class shows you how to succeed in the nursing field, how to get to the nursing program. It gives you what you need to know in the nursing program.
Because it gave you the groundwork of admissions. It gave you people you could talk to, what you had to do. It gave me a plan and a goal on how to get into the program and excel. It eased my anxiety about the whole process.